Hey guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, it is our last mystery box. I started with the Supreme one and then I just did the deluxe one. And now this is the premium one, and this is in the white packaging with the same type of design as the other boxes. But if you noticed that on Twitter, I believe it was, he mentioned that if you got the premium box, that he said he couldn't wait for you guys to get the box. And so I was so happy that I got it. And I'm super pumped because Supreme one and Deluxe have been absolutely amazing and the best freaking boxes that we've gotten so far. Like the Halloween ones were bomb, the Christmas ones were also freaking bomb, but like these ones for some reason I think are well worth the money. Like the other ones I'm like, oh, I've gotten some things that are different. Just for some reason, like everything that comes in them, I'm like, this is it, this is perfect. So we have our last one, so without further ado, and then before actually we get into the video, please look in the description box, well, the subscription bar down below, and check out my social medias. Follow me on Instagram because that is where I give my Instagram polls. You guys vote on the video ideas that I put on there, and I end up doing that video idea first, or I end up doing those types of videos. So like I said, you guys wanted me to post Monday through Friday because that's what I asked on Instagram, and so that's what I'm doing. So let's get right on into the video. It's so sad that this is our last box. So, like I said, I opened the Supreme box and the Deluxe box already. I'll have those linked up below, or not below, I'll have them linked up top somewhere throughout the video. They'll pop up on the little eye that pops up in my videos. And I'm so freaking excited. I suck at opening these boxes. You think by all the mystery boxes I get from him, I'd be good at this? But I'm not. So let's see what this box has to offer. I need a new makeup wipe. I'll have this video linked as well up here. This is the makeup wipes I'm using are the Hydro Boost ones from Gina that are on my Miss ones for freaking January. I just could not, I don't like them. My eye literally was watering the one day on Saturday because I used them so freaking much. Am I trying to open this? All right, I'm opening. What do you guys see? Can you guys actually see this time? Okay, you guys can see. Cool. All right, what we got? Holy crap. What is this? We got a hat. We got a hat. I'm gonna put this hat on. I'm super excited. I love beanies, guys. If you know me, you know that I freaking love beanies. So before I put it on, it has the Jeffree star patch right here and the conversation hearts. So what is this? I don't know what's in this. Oh my, we need to reevaluate ourselves. Hold on. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I just tried putting that on and it did not look cute at all. And normally all my freaking beanies look cute, but I had to do my middle part. This is a thick beanie. This is thick. All right. Beanie is on. It looks cute. I actually probably will wear this, and I would not care that says Jeffree star on it. Not one freaking bit. Oh, I know what this is. And one of my subscribers, you were freaking right. What's in the box? I was like, there's no way that this could be in the box, but I realized what it is. You're right. So we have a pink pop socket, just pop socket, you know, and then we have a new gloss. Okay, I thought this was the same gloss as the other one, but this is a different gloss. This is its own gloss, and this is in Succulent, and I'm guessing it's a pink. But I literally thought that it was the one we already had, and I was like, shoot, I didn't know this. Okay, I didn't know we were getting one of these. So this is two finishes, Glittery Fantasy and Extreme Shine. Juicy, delicious, iconic on its own or over any lipstick. Oh my goodness, look at this. Super freaking gorgeous. All right, Jeffree. Let's go. Oh my goodness, this is it. This is like pink. So it's a pink gloss, but it's iridescent. Pink gloss, but it's iridescent, and you literally, like, it looks iridescent mostly. You got like pink glitter in it, purple glitter in it, blue glitter. This is sick. And are you guys ready to see what palette we got in this one? Do you see what's on here? We got the Alien palette, baby. So in the Christmas ones, you got Thirsty, and which is no longer sold anymore. And in this box, you got Alien, which is why I would think he would say that he can't wait for us to see what is in it, because it's no longer sold, and everyone was sad because this is his most neutral shade one. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super sick. Now I'm going to swatch my own so I don't have to touch this one because I have all the palettes. If you have not seen the rank all my Jeffree Star palettes, I'll have that linked up here. So let me get my Alien palette. Oh my goodness, this thing's such a pain to store. Okay. So this is my Alien palette. This is what she looks like. I love the packaging. I love how there's like these. I love how it's an actual alien shape. My favorite part, you guys know this, is the rocket ship on the back. But you get a mirror, of course, but these are your shades. This palette, guys, is so freaking gorgeous. So let's swatch her. We have Pluto, so creamy. Titan, Alien, Interstitial, and Abduction. So this is what these all ones look like. So we have Pluto. Oh shoot, that's not Pluto. That was Interstitial. Crap, I'm going backwards now. Alien, Titan, Pluto, and Abduction. These are what these look like. So this is Interstitial, Alien. This one is Titan, Pluto, and Abduction. So freaking gorgeous. Now I love how this one has different pan shapes as well. Not pan shapes, but like stamps in them. And I'll show you those when we get closer. So we have UFOs next, Gravity, Martian Soil, Flying Saucer, and Phone Home. Now I do have a video of me doing this palette as well. I'll have that linked up here if I can get to it. It is the zodiac sign picks my eyeshadow palette, like picks my eye color, like eyeshadow look, because I'm a Taurus, and it's like greens and like pinks and that. So I'm pretty sure that's what I did with this palette. So let's swatch this in the right order this time. We have UFO, Gravity, Martian Soil, Flying Saucer, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, the one on my thumb, duh, and Phone Home. All right, so this one is UFO, and we have Gravity, Martian Home, Flying Saucer, and X-Files. No, Phone Home. Oh my goodness, I'm a mess. This is me being a mess. Hello, hi, how are ya? Just getting this off my hands. Next we have Moon Rock, X-Files now, Ghost OG, Area 51, and Space Cowboy. So next we have, let's see, what was this one? Moon Rock, which is super gorgeous. X-Files, Ghost OG, Area 51, and Space Cowboy. I'm going to put more of Area 51 because it kind of went in on the other one. So, this one right here is Moon Rock. Then this is X-Files, Ghost OG, Area 51, and Space Cowboy. And we have 3 more to swatch. We have Probe, Tail Gray, and Black Hole, which was Jeffree's first black, I believe, he ever made in a palette that was just a straight black. So we have probes going here. Holy crap, probe is freaking gorgeous. And then we have tail gray and then black hole. So this is probe. Look how gorgeous that is. Tail gray and black hole. That's the alien palette, guys. I can't believe that he gave the alien palette away, because that would be why this box was the amount that it was, because this one was $52. So this box already is worth the freaking price because of alien is literally right there, and then the pop socket would make it go over, and then you have the gloss on top that is brand new, and this hat. So this is absolutely sick. I can't believe that the alien palette was in this. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely sick. This box, guys, this whole mystery boxes of the Valentine's Day ones were freaking phenomenal. And that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was our last mystery box right now. Such a sad day. This is my Shane Dawson cup. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I did. I love this hat. I love what we got. I can't believe we got the alien palette. That's sick. Everyone's actually going to be probably really excited to get it in the mail, like in their box, because this is one of his most neutral palettes ever, other than Thirsty. This is it, and it's no longer for sale anymore, so you just got a palette that's no longer available on his website. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like mystery boxes, if you like my videos, if you like Jeffree Star, and please hit the like button because it helps me know if you end up liking the video. It really does, because I want to know if you guys like it or not. Give this video also a big thumbs up if you're glad to be here and that I posted Monday through Friday. Click that notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. I'm in the chats all the time. I try to be as soon as I can when my video goes live. I like literally work around my live schedule for the video. Unless I'm on my way home from school, I have no say over that with construction. So construction, traffic, I can't help it if I don't make it, but I try to so hard. And hit that subscribe button and join the fam, because our goal here is to hit 2,000 subscribers, and I really hope you guys can help me reach that goal. I think it would be so sick. Oh, I would just love to have 2,000 subscribers. I think it would be fun. We'd be able, I don't know what we'd be able to do. We would do whatever we want, because it is 2020. So that is the end of today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed that. Go watch my other mystery boxes if you have not seen them already. Go watch even my ones from last year, and I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye, guys!